Hey everyone, Nariman here. Welcome to my channel. So I don't know if you heard the news or not, but Microsoft recently, I guess yesterday, announced that GitHub Copilot is now free. So this is amazing news. If you don't have the subscription for it already, you can now use it for free with some limitations inside VS Code and also GitHub. So I thought it might be a good idea to show you how you can use it inside VS Code with your current GitHub account. All you need to do is install VS Code, of course, and then go to extensions. Here you can search for Copilot. And as you can see, there are two extensions, one for the Copilot itself and the other one for Copilot chat. So I'm gonna go ahead and install both of them. So after it was installed, there will be a very small Copilot icon down on the right side. Let me actually move myself to the top so you can see it. Now here, I'm pointing to it. So you need to click on this to sign into Copilot with your current GitHub account. And it will ask you if you are going to allow it to redirect you to the website. I'm going to click allow. And now I'm redirected to the GitHub website. So I'm going to show you now here. You need to log in. And then here, as you can see, I'm already logged in. So I'm going to authorize Visual Studio Code to log into my GitHub account. And I can go back here. So now if I go to the Copilot sign and click on it, you can see that the status is now ready and we can use GitHub Copilot for free. Let's go ahead and onto some code and also try it. So here, yeah, as you can see, I am using some suggestions from Copilot and it's completely ready. If you are wondering how to get the best out of GitHub Copilot, I also made another video about that and I will show it up there. So make sure to also watch that. Be mindful that this free version has some limitations. You can access, I believe, like 2000 code suggestions a month and also 50 chat messages with Copilot for free. Anything more than that, you probably need a paid version. So that was it. If you enjoyed watching this video, please also subscribe me and push the like button. Have fun with Copilot and see you around.